Okay, hello dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Not really need to do that, but doesn't hurt to have some fun. To make it. See what we have. Oh, Lintico. Oh, this is so. Oh, I will try it. Short sleeve, big pocket. Oh, is this the same? No, not the same. Thank you, Lintico. They are very generous. Very, very generous. Oh, I love this. I particularly love this because of this flower. Usually in linen dress, there's no flower and no other things. But this one, see, it has flower. Oh, I love it. Okay, I am going to try it. See you later, alligator. We give it a try. And this is so very comfortable. Look at it. Big pocket. Perfect. I love it. So very comfortable. Okay, let's see this one. This one is even better. Does not have too many things shows up, and the neck is relatively concealed. I don't know what is this one for. But, and the big pocket, easy to walk. Maybe I should hide. Oh yeah. Oh, this one is you can tie it tight. Oh, a little bit texture. That's cool. Oh, like this. I got it. See? It's tightened a little bit. The shoulder. has more texture and more interesting. Big pocket. Oh, I love it. Oh, you can just relax, put it flat. That's a very smart design, I will say. What do you think? Very easy to walk and comfortable. Oh, I love it. That's it. Now we try this one. This one. Okay, let's see this one. Also, it's quite a covering up. Excuse me for the neighboring liveliness. See, big pocket. Very summer. Okay, that's it. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Go, bye, bye.